Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Nothing Edited. Look where we at. We are at the car wash. Yeah. I hate to admit this, y'all, but this is not the third time I've ever had my car washed. That's pitiful, isn't it? I mean, you're not gonna wash your car when it's flooding outside. Alright, how far up I gotta go? Man, I'm almost out the door. Still telling me to go. Oh, finally? Oh, now you want me back up. You made me go one step too far. Good Lord. Okay, that mean I'm in the right spot? Okay, y'all. I have not washed my car. But, like I said, this is the third time. So we'll see what happens if it starts up and starts washing it or not. I mean, I'm on a stop spot. Y'all can't see what it's doing. It's in the back. I don't know why this one starts from the rear, but that's cool. Let's just watch the car wash. I paid for the cheap wash, y'all. I'm not paying no $14.99 for a deluxe wash. I just watched the truck ahead of me get a deluxe wash, and it's like, this one cost me $8.99. And this is, like I said, El Cheapo. I'm just really wanting to get the road film off my car. Now your windshield gets that oily crap driving. In the middle of a tornado up in here. Excuse me, y'all. Man. Okay, y'all. Let me pull out of here because there's people behind me. And I'll shut this down. Windshield looks better. That's what matters right there. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and by all means leave a comment. And how much is the car wash where you located? Drop it down in the comments. There's nothing edited, and I'm out.